A nearly century-old golf course in western Michigan could be turned into an industrial, commercial, and residential complex under a proposal from its potential new owner. Residents living near Riverside Golf Club and Banquet Center in Battle Creek were invited to an informational meeting Wednesday about the project, WWMT-TV reports. Interstate Capital Investments, which has a tentative agreement in place to buy the course after some 2 years on the market, would dedicate about half the property for industrial space, with the other half split between residential areas and commercial and office space. Interstate says it specializes in redevelopments in mid-sized industrial cities in the Midwest. The industrial portion of the project, company officials said at the meeting, would include one or several large buildings. Local residents, the station reported, expressed concerns about the loss of the 99-year-old course, as well as about the potential impact of new industrial activity in what is primarily a residential area. Developers told WWMT that the feedback from residents could ultimately change the approach of the project. One official suggested that the new recreational spaces, including walking paths, playgrounds, and parks, could be part of an overhauled proposal. Interstate plans to revise the proposal before filing it with Battle Creek's planning division. Once reviewed, the project would proceed to the city's Board of Commissioners, which would decide whether to approve or deny the application. The report did not indicate what kinds of industrial activity could be considered for the property. My name is Devin Verbsky, and this is Manufacturing Now.